Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee roasting machine, only way. Begin by gathering a motor, drum, heat source, and temperature controller, then plan a safe enclosure. Inspect materials for durability and heat tolerance, and lay out tools. Mark component locations so wiring and airflow remain tidy. Safety gear is essential, so prepare gloves, goggles, and a fire extinguisher before you start assembly. In this video, I will show how to make coffee roasting machine, only way. Next, build a drum assembly that spins steadily and distributes beans uniformly. Secure bearings, attach a drive system, and test for balance at multiple speeds. Adjust weight distribution until wobble disappears and beans tumble consistently. Proper rotation prevents scorching and ensures uniform color, so take time tuning speeds and confirming stable operation. In this video, I will show how to make coffee roasting machine, only way. Quick recommendation. On another note, use leak-proof containers for storing roasted beans and carrying snacks while you test batches. They keep aromas locked in and spills out. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals before you go. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make coffee roasting machine, only way. Focus on temperature control and airflow to craft consistent roasts from light to dark. Mount a reliable thermometer near the bean mass and wire a PID controller to the element or burner for steady responses. Add a variable fan to shape convection and log temperatures during trial runs to refine time and heat settings for each bean type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.